Hello. Right? Oh my god. This is Doubtfire. Great movie. Welcome to another episode of the Still Good series, where I go over things that I have purchased secondhand that are still good. And today we've got yet another Patagonia item. I talked about this in the last video that I made with the Woolrich coat. You should go check that one out. But yeah, I got this down-filled Patagonia jacket. It's a light jacket. For shipping in and everything, it was $42.36. So pretty sweet. If you've noticed, the cold that I talked about in the last video has moved up to my nose now, so I'm a little bit congested. But yeah, this thing's got a little bit of like some extra little frills poking out. One of the main things on it is there's some openings in the, like, a couple rips that need to be repaired, and today we are going to repair it together. Since I have this fancy new tripod that will like fold down so we can do like a top-down view. I never understood how people did that until now. But yeah, so we'll try and repair that ourselves. There's some other like staining and stuff that you can't really tell because it's like a really dark jacket, but if anybody has tips on how to potentially get those out, I'll show them more in depth when I change the camera angle. But yeah, let's get into it. Right. Isn't this sweet? Think of the possibilities. Anyways, this is what we're dealing with today. Oh my god, this is hard to get used to. Yeah, there's a couple reps here that we're just going to use. I got these off Amazon. They were like $8. Yeah, they're like these little sticky patches that you put on. And apparently, you don't need to iron them. Or so. So yeah, it says that we just need to clean the area, which I've already done. As you can see. And then we need to select the most appropriate size one. And I don't know. So that one, wow. I mean, the color it's kind of close. But that one will go here. Like, comme ça. This one probably go like that. And there's another tiny guy here. And I think we'll just use the little baby guy. Like that. And this is what I mean by like the coloring. I don't know, you probably can't see it very well on camera, but yeah, that's what we're dealing with. There's also some more like on the collar. So yeah, if anybody knows anything I can do for that or what I should use to wash it, much appreciated. Anyway, let's try and do a repair job ourselves instead of shipping it to Patagonia. So it says we need to like pull it taut. Spread the torn area flat. Place patch over the tear and press down firmly. If I can get it off. That thing. Has anybody else ever had a crash out over not being able to peel stickers off? Oh my god, here we go. So pull it taut and sticker down. Cool. Wow. That looks like it is not coming off. That's awesome. Wow. 5 stars. Oh shit. Instead of getting a little one, I think we can just get all of this in one go. So I only have to use 2. That's awesome. Oh, for creeps. There we go. I don't know how you pull this one taut when there's like so many little micro abrasions. Nice. You know, the color doesn't really match that well, but if it saves it from getting any worse, then who am I to judge? There is some other little things, like I'll probably cut all the frilly threads, like this guy here. Grab some scissors, do that. I might also take a fabric trimmer and get the cuffs all nice and cleaned up. But I'll show you what it looks like. See, look at that. That's probably just from like whoever's sweat or whatever getting into the collar, but yeah, let me know. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like on me. Do a little try on haul. I'm gonna get my dogs going now. You remember it there. Look at that. But yeah, fits pretty well. I like it. Yeah, if you didn't notice, I got a haircut. Feeling very fresh. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very small repair video. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. For an $8 Amazon special, give it 5 stars. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna try and do another video in a week or so. It's gonna be like some essential stuff that I bring with me to work in the winter time. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next one. These guys say goodbye. Peace.